Even, and we're starting at Slagharen for Gold Rush, so we're doing that today, and then later on we're going to go to Hutson, and so we've just arrived, yay, at Slagharen. I've been here before. Oh my god, my fringe is looking insane. Sorry about that. Serena's handing out the packs of fun stuff. Oh my god, they got names on. Yeah. That is Amy's, yay. JJ's disappeared. Oh, he's faffing. Paranormal activity bag. That is so funny. Is that your pun?
Thank you.
Excellent.
I wanted to take credit for that one.
Credit. That's another pun. So yeah, there's two creds here. It's changed quite a lot since I last came. Like, it feels like it's been done up and the floor's nice and stuff. I think Gold Rush is over there somewhere, so we're gonna go do that first. Spooky! Oh, that Nathan's spooky, thank you! Nadrod, yay, there's a pumpkin on it. We're excited.
There's also a game that's going to be involved for the weekend. Oh. And I'm going to wait till everyone gets here.
Fun.
And I'll explain.
Cute! Yay, fun! We're walking over to Gold Rush, and I think I forgot how many dogs there are in European parks. There's a tiny sausage dog, look at him! Hello, oh, he's so cute! Yeah, it's like, I think you forget that in like UK parks you can't bring dogs, and in the Netherlands it's just like a totally normal thing. Oh, we can go to Hogwarts, yay! I want to go to Azkaban and get some butterbeer. I don't think I even came down this end of the park when we came last time because there were no creds down here, and we just came in, got the cred and left. So it is a fun new experience. Oh, it's HMV.
Oh yeah!
Mark's getting his 500 of cred. You can't hold it. You can't hold. Oh, you're only in Europe.
Can you stand slightly?
Yeah, did you get photos? Yes.
Well done.
Hey.
Yay!
You haven't ridden it yet. It doesn't count.
Oh yeah!
Was really fun. It was really like whippy and cute and fast. I feel like it didn't really have the chance to get going. I feel like if you did one more lap it would have been really, really good. But the airtime hill was really good, the little transitions are really good, whippy and kind of snappy and fun. Kind of reminded me of Saw, like with the airtime hill and then the really quick, tight, whippy transitions. But yeah, it was fun. It's not the best ride in the world, but it's good for a park like this, I think. Yeah, it's really cute. I think like I like these kind of like middle ground coasters where they kind of make use of the space and the kind of budget and stuff. Yeah, it was a fun time. We liked it. It was good. And Raybold got his 500 cred. Yay! 500 cred only in Europe.
Yes, 500 in Europe.
Slight moment of panic when we thought, oh god, he's gonna have to have his restraining check. And I was like, oh my god.
Pushing a bit further, so it's not too bad.
He shoved me. Constantly, like came around and went, ugh. I was like, okay.
But annoyingly, they didn't allow my GoPro on me.
Oh, they didn't?
No. So I'm gutted about that because it would have been awesome.
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh well.
Check it.
We liked it. Plus, I'll go on plug.
Check out Roller Coaster Review Show on Mushroom Reductions.
Yeah.
I'm doing it at the moment. Doing Gold Rush.
Yay! Cool. We love it. Yay.
One could be on there as well. So.
Yeah, it'll be Silver Rush rather than Gold Rush.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's middle of the ground ride.
Yeah.
Oh,
not Bronze Rush, but not Gold Rush.
We don't know what it is, but we think it's probably some kind of carousel. Maybe. Who knows? There's stuff. Yeah. There's a dome. Oh my god, no, this is the boat. This is the boat ride. I think. I might be lying. I'm excited. The music's making me feel like. Alright then. I'll just fuck off then, shall I? Hello! Did you enjoy that? It's quite cute. I love the theming in here, it's great. So it's like a big like indoor rapids. Hello. A big like indoor rapids ride that you can see there. The theming's pretty fab. Where are we? I think I have my back to the camera. Yeah, I'm just completely oblivious.
That was good, banging. Yeah,
I love an unexpected rapids.
A lot of orange faces.
Slightly not okay, but yeah. You know, it's Europe.
Made the orange man.
Yeah.
Orange.
I've also decided that I really enjoy a park where everything is one theme. Like Slagharen's like everything's Wild West. That's it. And there are no pirates. No, it's just Wild West. I don't hate it. Quite enjoy it.
I want to have a go on that flying thing over there.
Let's go on that.
Yeah, let's go on that.
Yeah.
We over here, Serena.
Dog. God.
Yeah. Loads of be lovely Jack Russell, like gorgeous things.
Or selection pack, as Serena said. There's like loads of different kinds of dogs all in one thing, and Serena was like, "Oh, selection pack." Did they go? Yeah, they're over here.
I wanted to see. You usually get big beasts of dogs over here as well. I want to see one there.
This is all kinds of dogs. It's the best. Doggo theme park, yay! Petition for UK parks to allow dogs in theme parks.
You just have a bunch of Rottweilers and a bunch of chows.
What's wrong with Rottweilers? Rottweilers are cute. It's not the dogs, it's the owners.
Oh my god.
That looks sick.
Such a crowd! New for 2019, I guess. I haven't actually paid attention to this.
Today.
Jij komt hier. Kijk naar de zwam in handjes. Kijk naar zwam in handjes. Ja, draai je zon dan.
Amy, how did your first Pawn Ponies experience?
Incredible, amazing, stunning, 10 out of 10, we're back.
Did it change your life?
Honestly, I feel like a new woman. Like, I can't explain it. Like, my body, empowered.
Nathan had a mental breakdown.
It was a good 3 out of 10.
At best. Loads of pictures of the wagon wheel, so now we've decided that we're gonna go on it. which would be nice. Because I don't think I've ever been on one of these.
No, no, right.
There's one at Lightwater Valley, which is exactly the same, but I always just go, and don't go on it. But I think there will be nice views of the park, so we shall ride it. Hopefully we'll see lots of doggos.
Dogs. Yeah. Sausage.
There are so many. We love them. Hey. Connor looks so small. Connor is a tiny bean down there.
Tiny boy.
Connor. Hello.
Hello.
Connor. Hello. He can't see us.
Start shouting.
Serena's hating life.
I am suffering.
Come on. Come on. Spite!
What convenience!
Hateful ride! Ah. Nailed it! Hello.
Yeah, Roy.
Are you enjoying your time on the sky ride thing? It's so high. We are a whole 3 meters above the ground.
Let's sprain an ankle.
Yeah, I feel like it would hurt, but it wouldn't be that bad. Oh, there she goes. Whee!
That's a good ride.
Goodbye.
I enjoyed that.
Did you have fun? Yeah, yeah, we will. We absolutely will. She's gonna go again.
I've just realised something.
What?
The dogs do great chips.
It's true.
Some chips.
Yeah, it is. They do. It's true. We are having a good time floating above the ground.
The ground. The ground.
Oh look, monorail.
Monorail.
What's it called?
Monorail.
Once again, monorail. Monorail. Big One crane. God, they're all called Big One. That's what they're called at Thorpe as well, and I hate it. Or the what? That one's called the Wild West Claw,
What?
and that one's called the Big One crane. Tut Big Un.
Where are you looking?
Damn it.
Oh yeah.
It's really weird because it's so close to everyone. Like, I feel like there's definitely not enough clearance. Dog, 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 dog,
Dog.
dog, dog, doggo, doggo.
I like this. This is a nice.
And another dog, 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 dog.
Oh, it says that one.
So small. Oh look, we're going to go across the water. That's more like it.
Water feature.
This is so cute. This ride is so good for dog spotting. Dog, dog, dog. Dog, do you see him? Look at him, he's a good boy.
Oh, here's somebody going mad.
He's barking, there's another one barking. Look at him.
He's
Dog,
barking.
dog, dog.
Oh, yeah,
Dog, dog, dog. That dog over there's barking. Dog, dog, dog. He's having a good time. Dog, dog. Over here, there he is, look. Come on, doggy.
It's the Harry Potter shop.
Yeah, the Harry Potter shop. I wonder if it's all sells butterbeer. So random. Wild West and Harry Potter. Where's the doggy? Where's the doggy? Where's the doggy? Doggo! Doggo, ruff. Dog, 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 dog. This area is really fab. It's all like, there's a woman shouting behind me. It's all like steampunky themed. So it's like, yeah, like Expedition Nautilus. So there's like, got like a Jules Verne thing going on. There's like a timber tug kind of.
Cars up there.
Still see like there's like vintage cars. There's these things you can go in and get splooshed. Get splooshed. Oh god, I almost died. And there's like things where you pedal and like fly, so I think we're going to try and go on those. These guys probably want the crabs, so I think we might go on that first. But yeah, I like how they've got, it's Wild West themed, but there are different strands of Wild West. So down that end it's like classic Wild West. In the middle it's like Mexicana, and here it's like
Wiki Wild Wild West.
yeah, exactly. exactly. I was going to say this is Will Smith's Wild Wild West, but yeah, that's your joke was funnier than my one. But yeah, I think we're going to go get the cred now. What are we doing now? Yeah, let's do it. Flying machines. Where have they gone?
I don't know.
She rides. We've already got this cred. This is the one we got on the cred run when we came in 2016. But we are going on it anyway because we have nothing better to do. No, I quite like roller skaters to be fair.
It's cute.
It's cute, yeah, it's nice. We like it. It's not the most theme. Is JJ getting a milestone on this cred, or are you just holding a piece of paper? Oh, I got all excited!
Roller skater.
I thought it was going to be a milestone. They have these like snacky things and you kind of go, oh, there's probably like cheese, maybe it's fish. No, curried noodles.
Is it nice?
It's alright.
It's alright, yeah. It's,
it smells nice.
Yeah.
Did you have a delicious snack?
I had a panini with mustard and it was alright, it was not bad. I would take that again. But want some chips and mayonnaise though?
I had a toasty and it was nom nom. But you know when you're in a park you don't really know and you like panic and go, oh no, I'll just have this thing and it's alright, but you're like, and then you're like, I could have done better. And then we just walked past somewhere that had something that looked quite tasty. We're getting on the monorail now because it does like a loop of the park and goes through scenes and shit. So that might be fun. And then we're gonna go and try and ride Gold Rush one more time. Monorail, sleepy rail, sleepy rail, mono.
Rail.
The monorail was so fun.
It's cute.
I enjoyed it because it went through scenes of dusty old animatronics and models.
Don't work anymore.
And we have discovered that Amy does not like animatronics.
The worst. Honestly, it's so bad.
They are terrifying. But there was like a final scene. So the whole park's themed to like Wild West, and the first scene you went through was like a saloon with some dusty old mannequins playing pontoon and stuff. And then the final scene was like terrifying happy clowns with like a mangled frog and bright colours, and it was really all warped, you know, when you know like the paintings on the side of like an ice cream van where everything's like slightly wrong, like it's Snow White but she's weird. It was like that. But yeah, it was a good time, and now we're going to ride Gold Rush again. Yay! I liked it, but I want to try different. We rode front last time and I want to kind of ride like more sorts of back probably. But yeah, just a fun time. Doggos! You look fabulous! Bye! We like some Gold Rush merch. That's actually quite fab. I quite like that. That's quite fab. Pen is nice. I like that. This just says gold clumpies. Okay. Flat peak. The flat peak's actually quite cute. And this is cute. I would have bought this many years ago. It's nice. It is nice. Oh my god, look at the doormat. What the hell?
Oh, what?
Coaster doormat.
Polo shirt.
I want it.
How much is it?
That's a my costume.
€15.
Oh, I want it. I don't have any space. I 100% would buy that. I want it.
Do you want me to take it for you? I'm in my car, aren't I?
Oh shit, yeah. Gold Rush mug. Let me talk to Connor, because that's fab.
Honestly, I can
That's
take
so
it back
cool.
for you.
And the that's really nice as well. Nice things. And then that's cheap and nasty. What the hell?
And it's €10.
€10 for the piece of plant. The flat peaks are really nice as well. We just rode Gold Rush in the back.
That was
and
sick.
it was much better. And someone didn't have their phone secured and it went whee! And smashed. Haha. Don't take your phone on the ride. You're not bad.
Yeah, no, that was so much better in the back. So much better in the back.
Yeah.
That went from an average ride to a really, really good one.
It's really, really good in the back. Really intense. Really intense. I would quite like one more ride before we leave.
I know my head's busting, but that was really good. Yeah.
Yeah, very, very good. 'Tis a fun time. We like Gold Rush. Yes, it's good. We are saying goodbye to Slagharen now. It has been a fun day. Last time I came here, we literally cred runned it. Gold Rush didn't exist. But you know, well, I don't know if you know, sometimes you go cred run parks and I go, oh, I wish I'd spent more time there. This was one of those places, so I'm glad that I've finally been able to come back and actually see the park, like with the amazing like indoor rapids, and obviously Gold Rush is amazing. We love Gold Rush, it's great. And like, I love parks that have like weird dark ridey stuff, and I feel like this park has quite a lot of that. So we're gonna go grab some oliebollen, and then we're getting in the car, go and check into our hotel, and then tonight we're going to go to Hellendoorn. They have a Halloween event called Screams, which is another part that I wanted to go back to and spend a bit more time at, so doing that this evening. So yeah, fun first day of our little weekend spooky European trip. See you later, bye!